everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Yes, I am back with a video and hopefully I will be posting videos back to back hereafter. So yep, I'm back with a video and today I'm gonna be sharing a video on how to contour and highlight your face for the beginners, of course. Now I have a lot of videos, makeup videos where I do contour and highlight my face. I have a video of how to contour and highlight your face using a concealer palette like Kiss Beauty ADS, but it was about a review video, it was about a makeup video. So yep, I wanted to do a video where I explain how to contour and highlight in depth. There are different set of products for contour and highlight in Indian market, not only in Indian market but in makeup industry, makeup market. There are cream based, there are liquid based, there are powder based. Cream based are very good for beginners. It consists of a palette. In a palette you will get a lot of concealers and lot of contour shades. Like the one which I have is the Kiss Beauty contour and concealer palette with me. This do have color corrector as well as the concealer shades as well as the contour shade. This is good for beginners because this product is buildable. It can be applied with the help of by the help of your fingertips. One which I love to use on my face is the liquid contour and concealer products because it's buildable. It's very easy to blend out. I will not recommend for the beginners, but I will recommend it for pro. If you're a pro in makeup, you can use liquid concealers and contour products. The one which I like to use is the LA Girl Pro concealers. They have lot of shades for concealing, for highlighting, for contouring, and also they have color correctors. They have different types of color corrector and highlighters. So liquid highlighters are also good for, if you are a pro in makeup, you can try liquid highlighter and contour. Contour powders and concealers are good for everyday use whenever you are going for a normal get together or a day out. You can use contour powders because it gives a very subtle and very kind of not so well sculpted kind of a look, but your face will look contoured and highlight. So contour powder and contour highlight is very good for beginners as well as for everyday use, and also to set your concealer, liquid concealer, cream concealer or contour on place. So the one which I have is the Makeup Revolution palette. I hope you can imagine like how much this palette has been loved by me. It's all over. I have already almost finished the product. So it's a Makeup Revolution contour and highlighting palette. This do have 4 shades of contour and 4 shades of highlights. There are 2 types of highlight. One is the concealer highlight, where you apply the concealer under your eyes, onto the forehead, bridge of your nose, cupid's bow and chin. This is the area to be enhanced, to be forward, to be seen forward, and that is something which hides your under eye dark circles. The another highlighter is something which highlights your highest points of your face, like your cheekbone, sides of your forehead, underneath your eyebrow, bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, chin. These are the highest points of your face where these highlighter can be applied. So when you apply this product onto the highest points of your face, the highest point will be all like highlighted. So yep, there are 2 types of highlighters. Yep, that's enough for the explanation. Without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial, contour and concealer tutorial. Yo. First thing first, guys, we're gonna be prepping our skin using a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a must whenever before you apply anything on your face. You need to moisturize your skin. So I'm using Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. It works great as a moisturizer and also does wonders for your wrinkles. Next thing that goes into your skin is the primer. Primer is a must, guys. If you want your makeup to stay for a longer period, if you want your open pores to be smoothened out, if you want a clean canvas to work on to your next level, that is your foundation, use your primer. So I'm using Blue Heaven primer. I'm just gonna press this primer onto the areas where it comes to contouring and highlighting your face. You need to color correct the areas where you have pigmentation going on. So I'm gonna be color correcting the areas where I have a lot of pigmentation, that is my dark circles. I have huge dark circles, so I'm gonna be using a color corrector, or orange color corrector. You can go for a yellow color corrector too, but I have deep dark circles, so I'm using LA Girl Pro concealers, and I'm gonna be mentioning all the shade name and product name in the description box. So I'm gonna be firstly applying this color corrector only onto the areas where I have dark circles. Then I'm with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna be blending this out. Color correcting your face, wait for at least 5 minutes for the product to get soaked into your skin, for the primer to get soaked into your skin. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna be applying my foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade, I guess, 115 Ivory. I'm gonna be applying my foundation all over my face with the help of a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna be blending my foundation out. After applying my foundation, I'm gonna be working on to the highlight and contouring thing. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro concealers, that is in the shade, I guess, Ivory. Anyways, I'm gonna be mentioning in the description box for you guys. So I'm gonna take this concealer and apply onto the areas where it need to be highlighted, concealed, enhanced, and to be seen forward. So I'm gonna apply this onto my under eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and onto the sides of my cheek. Next, I'm gonna be doing my contour. I'm gonna be using the contour shade from the LA Girl Pro concealers. I'm gonna take the contour and I'm gonna be applying it onto the hollows of my cheek. Like if you just suck your cheeks from inside of your mouth, I hope I'm not sounding cheesy. So if you just make a fish face, you will get the hollows of your cheek. That area need to be contoured, and I'm gonna be applying it onto the forehead. If you have wider, if you have long forehead, you need to contour your forehead, girl. Then I'm gonna be applying it onto the sides of my nose. If you have a wider nose, you can just fake nose job, and you can you will have a narrow nose, not like that narrow like a surgery, but you will be satisfied with the contour result. Then you're gonna be applying it onto the underneath your lip and underneath the chin area. These area need to be contoured to be seen as your face is well sculpted. After contouring and highlighting, so this is what your face will look like. So yeah, after applying my highlight and contour, I'm gonna be blending this out using a damp beauty blender. So firstly, I'm gonna be blending my highlighter, that is my concealer. Then I'm gonna be blending my contour. Next step is you need to set these two products on place by using a powder. I'm using color essence compact. I'm gonna take this compact onto my brush and I'm just quickly run my brush all over my face, so just so that they do not crease. Next step is the baking, guys. Yes, baking. So I'm gonna be using Nivea powder to bake my face. I'm gonna take this powder and I'm gonna apply it onto the areas where I concealed and highlighted. Next we're gonna be setting the contour shade on place using a contour powder. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution highlighter and contour palette. I'm gonna be taking the contour shade from the palette and I'm gonna be applying it onto the areas where I have contoured. But guys, your baking need to be sit on your face for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So till I did my contour, my baking was doing its job. So after I'm done with my contour, I'm gonna be dusting the baking off from my face using a clean brush. Here we go, we are done contouring and highlighting a face. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or update. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.